If you want to connect your TCL TV to Xfinity Wi-Fi, this guide will walk you through the exact process. So firstly, turn on your TV, press the home button on your remote, then go to settings, and then network and wireless. This opens the available Wi-Fi networks list. In there, find your Xfinity Wi-Fi name in the list. If you see multiple networks, pick your home one. Not public hotspots like Xfinity Wi-Fi unless you intentionally use hotspot login. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully using the on-screen keyboard. Passwords are case sensitive, so double-check uppercase letters and symbols. And after connecting, your TV should show connected to internet. If not, restart your router and TV and then reconnect. So that's your setup process. Open network settings, choose network, enter password and confirm connection. Enjoy the guide and enjoy your TV shows.